Hey guys, so I forgot I had one more install project to do with the Packout eTrax wall mount, and that is the electrical. So when I was doing this originally, basically I had a power strip right here, which was going then into my Husky desk. Okay, then I was running wires and nothing wrong with it. Again, this is a hidden gem in here. You can run your wires up or down depending on where your power source is coming from. So at the time I had my power source coming from my workbench, so that's why I did that, but I knew that was going to be temporary. Also what I did was I had another GFI outlet, okay, that was running from here, and I had my light that's off right now running down here and plugging into that GFI, right? So the problem was, well, not really a problem, on each one of the Husky desk, there are outlets. So when I went to go turn on each one of these lights, okay, one to the left, one to the right, the power switch was at each one of the Husky desks. So what I went and did, I brought a 20-220 3-prong outlets, okay, and I ran them above, as you can see right there, right here, above the Packout wall mount plates. Okay, I tied this first one into this second one, and then I ran the second one back down to this outlet. Okay, so now when I go to turn on the two overhead lights, sorry about that glare, I just have to do it from one of the desks. Give me a second. And now they both come on. So rather than having to turn a power switch off at one half and turn the other one on the other half, now I can just do it at one desk, on, off. Much easier, much simpler. Now I picked up both of these power strips from Harbor Freight. Normally they're about $20 with tax, $19.99. They were on sale for $14.99, and today only, or today was the last day, they had a 15% off. So I just went and picked them both up. But if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave your comment down below, and hit that like button.